Welcome back. Only 6 days are left for Lusofonia Games to take center stage, but the Lusofonia Games organizing committee seems to be preparing to wait at the last minute for teams' confirmation. The LUGOC has no clue about which 12 foreign teams are participating in which of the 9 disciplines at the Games. In such circumstances, people are getting anxious as Goa's prestige is at stake, and if there is poor participation, a lot of money will have been wasted. In addition, the Games fiasco will bring international shame to Goa despite the massive organizational expenditure.
During a press conference on 7 January, the LUGOC bosses were claiming that they will confirm the teams as soon as possible. This is what they had said.
As far as participation of the teams are concerned, LUGOC will come to you with all the details afresh, because still we are waiting for, even though it's late, we want most of the teams to participate. So by tomorrow we'll get back to you on the participation. Okay.
4 days have passed since. The LUGOC apparently has not had the confirmation from the ECOLOP countries yet. Otherwise, the LUGOC would have had some information to share with the Goans. Moreover, reports appearing in some newspapers claim that countries are pulling out, although LUGOC had not confirmed on any country before. This indicates that there is a lot of confusion, and in such a scenario, the Goans are feeling the anxiety of a potential Lusofonia Games fiasco. It will be a tremendous shame for Goa if the Games fail to take off, given that a huge amount of money from public pockets is going into the preparations. 20 crore rupees is being spent on ceremonies itself. How will the government justify such massive expenses if the Games do not even have a decent standard? What is the meaning of competition if just 3 teams compete and the third one gets a bronze medal in any discipline? Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.